Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can outrun your competition, um, get more customers, and of course, you can have a stronger online presence. So let's start here. I have your website pull out, and even though I see that you have a lot of content, you can definitely use a little bit more. And why is that important? Because if you want to compete against your competition, you need to have relevant content. It has to be original. It has to include the keywords that you want to be found for, and not just on the homepage, but on the other sub pages that you have here. So if I move forward and see the back end of your website, you're being found for 307 keywords that's being pulled out from your website. This is giving you an average of 92 visits a month to your website, and it seems that you have over 1,000, actually 1,200 backlinks. And what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power as well to be found on Google. Um, Now, not all backlinks are created equal. So you can have hundreds or thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, it's going to be completely useless. So let's take a look on the keywords that you're being found for example. And right off the bat, I can see that there's nothing relevant that you are being found for. For example, this one might be one of them, HVAC freehold. That's an average of 30 searches a month, and it's not giving you not even one visit to your website, and you're on the second page actually, um, for this specific keyword. But then if I keep going, let's see what else you have. Nothing really relevant. So again, this can be because of the content that you have and the backlinks that you have. It seems that you have a marketing company working with you already, but I don't think they're targeting what you need to be found for. Because if I go to Google and type HVAC New Jersey, and I'm going to show you why this is very important, because it seems to have a lot of volume. The first thing you can see here, of course, is the sponsored by Google. You pay to be here. Then you have your traditional Google ads. You pay every time that somebody clicks on it. Um, then you have the map section, and then we have the organic result, position number one, which is Edison HVAC. They seem to be pretty big. Then Yelp, this is another company. But it's very important because if you're not here and not on this top three, and for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three and this top three over here. That means that they don't go all the way down, not even to the second or third page. So you might be missing a lot of potential customers here. Um, if I go and pull out their website, let's see really quick. You can see they have a lot of content. I mean, if you were to be competing with these guys, adding more relevant content to your homepage will definitely help you. But they're ranking number one, right? And we're gonna see why they're ranking number one and you're not. If we go to the back end of their website, they're being found for over 2,000 keywords. That's giving them 678 visits a month to their website. That's quite a lot, and they have over 8,000 backlinks. And these numbers are not high for this amount of backlinks, but if we go and take a look on the organic keywords that they're being found for, you can see that HVAC New Jersey has 100 searches a month. They're ranking number one, and from these 100 searches, 37 are going directly to their website. So those can be potential customers. Heating Repair New Jersey, same thing, 250 searches a month. They're ranking number four. This is lost two spots. And from these 250, 29 are actually going to their website. So there's a lot of searches that you can be taking advantage of. But for some reason, because you don't have probably the proper content or the backlinks are not really doing what they're supposed to, you're missing a lot of opportunities here. So to wrap things up, if you think, if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, we're more than happy to assist you. If you have any questions regardless of this video, feel free to reach out as well. And most important, if you have any feedback about this video, I would love to hear your thoughts on this. With nothing else more to say, because I don't want to take too much of your time, I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.